this is Angelus. Welcome to my channel. I am super excited. I grabbed something from my house and I got inspired. Come on, you guys. You know Angelus. I'm always trying to create something, always trying to design, and this is what I came up with. I grabbed Goya. I know everybody nowadays loves Goya. It's a very delicious sauce for anything, you guys, and I grabbed this and I was like, why not? You know, I'm gonna create something with it, but I want to create something that you can use, you can do. So I incorporate those colors to create this look, and I hope you guys like it, and let's get started. Also, before we get started, you guys, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so every time I have a new video, you guys are updated with it and you guys get to see the new looks I create. Become my bestie. Write down in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. It gives me the motive to create more. So thank you for being part, and now let's continue. So going forward, I already did my foundation, I already did my concealer, but also did my brows just because I went ahead get that head start that I need to do the eye look. So I'm gonna be using so what's my routine lately? So complexion trio from Alamar, and it's very hydrating palette. I love how it's the design, the mirror, the colors, really nice palette, you guys. I'm gonna be using Rise and Grind with my Eco Tool, and I'm gonna go under my eyes just to get that brighten under my eyes. As soon as you put it on, you can really get to see. So once you are done with that, let's go forward with our look. I'm gonna be using first our color white because that's like the main color that they use for the logo. So I'm gonna be using a Morphe. This is the palette that I found that has the colors that I need. That's like the challenge that I try to do for my channels. If you guys don't know me yet, I grab any inspiration from the house and I use what I have with my makeup palettes to create a nice look incorporating those colors. So like I said, I'm gonna be using the white. The one that I found was right here, and this palette is gonna be 35H. So you can, I love this palette. It has so much to do, and you could create so much with this palette. But like I said, let's start with the white. I'm gonna go with my really nice, it's like a flat smaller brush, and this is number 12 from BH Cosmetics. Looks just like that. I'm gonna grab that nice white, but it has like a shine to it, this white. So I'm gonna grab my mirror and I'm gonna start from, like I say, from the mid of my eye, the middle. Soften that concealer there, and don't mind the dog, it's the neighbors over there on the other side, so it's okay. I wish I had a puppy, but I don't, so I guess I have one in this in the other side of the house. So I'm gonna grab that and I'm gonna start by just adding that white. But as you guys can see, I'm not going straight, I'm following the curve of my eye. I'm gonna get closer so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. So I'm gonna go here. I'm telling you, it has like a shimmer in this white, but it's okay. I'm gonna do the same thing with my other eye. Okay, so once you're done with that white, I'm gonna be adding that red. I did find a nice red. Let's see if I can show you. This is a big palette, but this is the red that I'm gonna be using right there. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna grab the same brush just so I can like mix those colors together. And I'm gonna do the same thing, just going under that white. So I'm gonna go under and try to like go with how the eye is going. You know, like that curve, just following your eye. And having that right there. I'm gonna go again. And it's okay if it blends. That's like the best part, when it starts blending with the other color. And just like that, I'm gonna grab that corner with that red. Just like that. Really nice. Something more subtle, not going too crazy with it. If I look like two ways, like if I look this way and I look that way, it's because I have two cameras. So don't mind me. Okay, so once I'm done with the red, I want to continue with that blue. I decided to put the blue in the bottom just because it's a darker color. So I'm thinking about grabbing the same brush just because I want all like the white and the red and the blue to be all incorporated in the eye look, so it can mix together and have that art piece, you know. So I'm gonna grab this beautiful blue. I really like this blue. It's like a navy blue that can match the can of the Goya tomato sauce. So I'm gonna grab that blue, really dark blue. I'm trying to aim for that dark blue just like the can. I don't want a light blue, I want a dark blue. That's your goal. So I'm gonna go under. Whoa, this palette, you guys, is so pigmented. Like, you really don't need too much, and I think I added too much. If you notice, I'm not trying to go all the way up. I'm trying to stay a little bit more subtle with the blue. And just getting those colors in are just amazing. Okay, so it looks like the flag, the American flag with these colors, but of course, they have a yellow. So I'm gonna be adding that yellow, so no worries. I'm gonna continue that blue. And this is gonna be number 6 of BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna grab that white again. And I wanna add it more on top, just because I want that white to show a little bit more. And I'm using the tip of this brush because I don't want to go too crazy with this shimmery white. Okay, so once you are done with the 3 colors, I'm going to be adding that yellow. I was thinking about adding that yellow in my inner corners just to get that pop going and something different. I'm going to be using this gold yellow just because I want something pretty. And that's the challenge, you guys. So this is the blue. Oh snap. This is the yellow. The yellow right here. Too much blue, you guys. Too much blue. I'm going to be using a smaller brush. It looks just like this. You guys can see that. This is number 14 from BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna grab that yellow and try to put that in my inner corner. Just kidding. Oh, wow. This yellow, you guys, amazing. I'll put that yellow here again. And this brush makes it so easy to get to those inner corners. Out of all days, the dog. Out of all days, but it's okay. So just keep adding that yellow. Keep that you know, making it as bright as possible and as showable as I want it to be. Wow, really nice yellow. I'm in love. You guys know how I am with those colors that are very brightening and very showable. That yellow is amazing. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be using that yellow more often now that I've tried it with you guys. So once I'm done with the look, I did incorporate all the colors except green. For me, I think this is it. I did incorporate like the bright colors basically, which is the white, the yellow, the red, and the blue of the whole can. So once I'm done with the colors that I incorporated, I'm gonna put a liner so I can make it an eye look and not, you know, not just the Goya look. I wanna keep it an eye look still. So I'm gonna put my lashes on. I'm gonna put my liner. Of course, I am not gonna show you the liner that I'm using now, just because I have other videos that I want to show you guys that finally I changed my liner. I found the one that I like as well, and I'm gonna continue, you know, just trying some stuff out and showing you guys what are the new things I've been using as my makeup routine. So I'll be right back. And okay, so I'm back. I did my lashes. So the lashes that I used were the Barbie Malibu ColourPop lashes. These been my routine lashes. If I go to college, if I go anywhere, these are the lashes that I've been constantly using just to try them out. And they're actually pretty good, you guys. And I like how they're comfortable. You know, some lashes are not as comfortable as others, but this one is pretty comfortable and they're very long lasting, which is very important. Once we're done with our look, I'm gonna be using my bronzer. I'm gonna give you the bronzer that is my daily one. This is my Physicians Formula. This is my favorite one, you guys. I've been using this one since day one, but I officially changed bronzer. For this video, I'm gonna be using this one, but for my next video coming up soon, I'm gonna be using new stuff, which I can't wait to try and show you guys what I've been using. And yeah, so I'll continue with my big brush. I'm gonna be using my brush from BH Cosmetics, and this is number 1. Looks just like this. I'm gonna use. It smells so good. This bronzer never gets old. I'm gonna put it on my cheekbones, trying to get some definition on my face. Of course, I'm going upwards. I'm just trying to get that bronzer going on my face. Put it on my neck just so I can, you know, even everything out. Okay, I'm gonna be using this is called Grande Glow. It's a highlighter. Well, it's a liquid highlighter. These are the new things. This is the only new thing I'm showing you guys. But it's pretty good. And I'm gonna put some on my cheekbone just so I can brighten that finger, just tapping, getting that shine going. The warmth of my finger, it just makes it a whole lot better. I'm just blending that in. It's like amazing. And I'm gonna put some on my nose, the tip of my nose. I just love how thick it is. If you guys can see that, it's like amazing. Wait, let me, right there. It's such an amazing product. I'm gonna put it on my tip of my nose. just in a circular motion because I don't want my other makeup to come off. Just gonna go in there. And look at that glow. It's beautiful. And as a photographer, you guys, I know the difference when there's highlighter and there's not. And a highlighter can make such a good difference, and it makes it makes the look even better. I want to add one more thing on my highlighter on my one more thing. I'm gonna be going on my forehead just like that, and I'm gonna go with my finger, just get the highlight in my forehead, because sometimes you have a highlighter in like this area of the face, but then you don't have any highlight on your forehead. Okay, so once you're done with that, let's go with our lips. Like I said, I want to incorporate more of that red. A lipstick I had in my vanity, and it's called Gigi Hadid. This is a really nice bright red, you guys can see. I'm going to be using a lot of it because I don't want a bright red, I want a really nice red. So let's see how this goes. I'm using my Barbie mirror. And there you have it, you guys. Wow, really nice soft lipstick. It's not like that rough one. It's very soft, and it's a really nice red. Let me just get closer so you guys can see. Tell me what is your favorite product around the house that you suggest for me to do and create for you guys. So write down in the comments below what is your favorite product so I can create. I just love hearing your comments and getting to know you guys more. Like always, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, so every time I have a new video, you guys are updated with it and get to see what I created. Have a nice day, you guys.